Hey there, folks. If you're holding a shiny new Chase debit card and wondering how to get it activated in 2025, you've come to the right video. Activating your card is a quick and straightforward process that ensures your account is secure and ready for use. Whether you're tech-savvy or prefer a more traditional approach, I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your card in hand along with any necessary details like your social security number or the card's CVV code. This is crucial for verification. Now, the most common way to activate your Chase debit card is online. Head over to the Chase website at chase.com and log in to your account using your username and password. Once you're in, look for the Activate Card option, usually found in the account dashboard or under the Services tab. If you're more of an app person, download or open the Chase mobile app on your smartphone. Log in with your credentials, and you'll see a prompt to activate your new card. Just follow the on-screen instructions. It might ask you to enter your card number and expiration date. This method is super convenient and often takes less than a minute. Not a fan of digital options? No worries. You can activate your card by phone. Simply call the number on the back of your card or the one listed on the Chase website. A customer service representative will guide you through the process, asking for your personal info to verify your identity. This is a great fallback if you're dealing with any technical issues. After activation, test your card by making a small purchase or checking your account balance online to ensure everything's working smoothly. Remember, for security reasons, Chase might send you a confirmation text or email, so keep an eye on those. And that's it. You've successfully activated your Chase debit card for 2025. If you encounter any hiccups, Chase's support team is always there to help. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.